Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss 25 important MCQs from the FIA Act 1974. These questions have appeared in the previous exams, so we will focus only on important exam related questions. Let's start. What is the official title and act number of the FIA Act 1974? Act 7 of 1974, Act 8 of 1975, Act 9 of 1975, Act 6 of 1974. Act 8 of 1974, the Federal Investigation Agency Act 1974, Act 8 of 1975. On which date was the FIA Act 1974 published on the official gazette? 13 January 1975, 17 January 1975, 1st January 1975, 25 January 1975. 17 January 1975, Gazette of Pakistan, Extraordinary, Part 1, 17 January 1975. As per Section 1 of the FIA Act, to whom does the Act extended and apply? Only to FIA employees, whole of Pakistan, all citizens of Pakistan, and public servants, wherever they may be. Only to federal territories, only within Islamabad Capital Territory. Whole of Pakistan, all citizens of Pakistan and public servants wherever they may be. Section 1 subsection 2 it extends to the whole of Pakistan and applies to all citizens and public servants wherever they may be. Under section 2 of the FIA Act, the term code refers to which law? Pakistan Penal Code 1860, Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, Police Act 1861, Kanuni Shahadat Order 1984, Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, subsection 2b. Code means the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, Act 5 of 1898. Under the FIA Act, provincial police is defined which with reference to which act? Police Order 1861, Police Order 2002, CRPC 1898, PPC 1860, Police Act 1861. Section 2D Provincial Police means the police constituted by a provincial government under the Police Act 1861, 5 of 1861. Public servant under the FIA Act is defined as per which section of Pakistan Penal Code? Section 21, Section 20, Section 161, Section 409. Section 21, Section 2E. Public servant means a public servant is defined in Section 21 of PPC 1860. Include employees of federal controlled corporations or bodies. Special police under Section 2 of the FIA Act refers to the establishment constituted under which law? Police Act 1861, Police Pakistan Special Police Establishment Ordinance 1948, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, Police Order 2002. Pakistan Special Police Establishment Ordinance 1948, Section 2F. Special Police means the Pakistan Special Police Establishment constituted under the 1948 Ordinance 7 of 1948. Specified persons under the FIA Act were appointed in persons of which order? Police Order 2002, Special Police and Provincial Police Order 1962, FIA Amended Ordinance 2002, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, Special Police and Provincial Police Order 1962. Section 2G defined with reference to Article 3 of the Special Police and Provincial Police Order 1962. Which section of the FIA Act empowers the federal government to constitute the agency? Section 2, Section 3, Section 4, Section 5. Section 3. The Section 3, subsection 1. The federal government may constitute an agency called the Federal Investigation Agency to investigate offences specified in the schedule. As per Section 3, subsection 2, who heads the Federal Investigation Agency? Inspector General of Police, Director General appointed by the federal government, Federal Interior Secretary, Chief Justice nominee, Director General appointed by the federal government. Section 3, subsection 2, the agency consists of a Director General appointed by the federal government plus other members appointed from time to time. Under Section 4 of the FIA Act, in whom does superintendence of the agency vest? Director General, Federal Government, Ministry of Interior Secretary, Supreme Court, Federal Government. Section 4, subsection 1, the superintendence of the agency shall vest in the federal government. Under Section 4, in whom does the administration of the agency vest? Federal Government, Ministry of Law, Director General, Provincial Government, Director General. Section 4, subsection 2, administration vests in the Director General who exercise powers of an Inspector General of Police under the Police Act 1861 as prescribed by rules. Which section of the FIA Act deals with the powers of members of the agency? Search, arrest, seizure. Section 3, Section 4, Section 5, Section 6. Section 5, subsection 1, members of the agency have throughout Pakistan powers to search, arrest and seizure equivalent to provincial police officers investigating under the code. As per Section 5, subsection 2, what is the minimum rank required for a FIA member to exercise powers of an officer in charge of a police station? Assistant Sub-Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Inspector, Deputy Director, Sub-Inspector. Section 5, subsection 2, a member not below the rank of Sub-Inspector may exercise powers of an officer in charge of a police station. Under Section 5, subsection 3, who may arrest a person without a warrant for a scheduled offence? Any citizen, only Director General personally, a member not below Sub-Inspector rank authorized by the Director General, only magistrate, a member not below Sub-Inspector rank authorized by the Director General. Section 5, subsection 3, a member not below Sub-Inspector rank authorized by the DG may arrest without warrant on reasonable suspicion of a scheduled offence. Under Section 5, subsection 5, what is the punishment for violating a written order restraining disposal of property under investigation? Simple imprisonment of 6 months only, rigorous imprisonment up to 1 year, or fine, or both. Fine only up to 50,000, not specific punishment prescribed. Rigorous punishment up to 1 year, or fine, or both. Section 5A of FIA Act deems which officers to be public prosecutor? All FIA inspectors, assistant directors and deputy directors, only the Director General, all sub-inspectors, assistant directors legal and deputy directors law. Section 5A of the FIA Act was inserted through which legal instrument? PICA 2016, FIA Amended Ordinance 2002, Anti-Money Laundering Act 2010, Police Order 2002, FIA Amended Ordinance 2002. Which section of the FIA Act empowers the federal government to amend the schedule of offences? Section 5, Section 6, Section 7, Section 9. Section 6. Section 6, subsection 1, the federal government may, by notification in official gazette, add, modify or omit any entry in schedule. Which section of the FIA Act allows the Director General to delegate his power to other members? Section 6, Section 7, Section 8, Section 9, Section 7. Section 7, Subsection 1, the Director General may, by written order, direct to that any of his powers under the Act or rules be exercisable by a specified member subject to conditions. Section 8 of the FIA Act protects which parties from legal proceedings for good faith actions. Only the Director General, the federal government, any agency member, or any person exercising power under the Act, only provincial police officer, no one. The Act provides no identity. The federal government, any agency member, or any person exercising power under the Act. Which section of the FIA Act empowers the federal government to make rules to carry out the Act purposes? Section 7, Section 8, Section 9, Section 10. Section 9. Section 9, Subsection 1. The federal government may, by gazette notification, make rules to carry out the purpose of the Act. Section 10 of the FIA Act repealed which two legal instruments? Police Act 1861 and CRPC 1898, Pakistan Special Police Establishment Ordinance 1948 and the Amalgamation Order 1962, PPC 1860 and Evidence Act 1872, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 and PICA 2016. Pakistan Special Police Establishment Ordinance 1948 and Amalgamation Order 1962. Under Section 10, within how many days the Act commencement could specified persons express willingness to serve under the agency? 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 30 days. Section 10, subsection 4, specified persons could express willingness to serve under the agency within 30 days of the Act commencement. How is the total scope of Section 3 offences typically described in exam term? What does the agency investigate? Only offence committed by FIA employees, offence specified in the schedule including attempt, conspiracy or abatement of such offences, all criminal offences in Pakistan, only offences occurring in Islamabad, offences specified in the schedule including attempt, conspiracy or abatement of such offences,